In this video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. These are the Rotor Riot FPV LEDs, and I'm going to be installing them onto my 5-inch Mark V, so I'll show you how to do that. Now that I'm ready, I'm going to remove all of the old LEDs so I can install the new ones. Now I'm going to be desoldering them from the power cables. Now that everything is ready, we can begin to install the new LEDs. Once you've soldered the LEDs directly to the power cables, you can start to stick them on. Make sure to use electrical tape on the wires so that they don't short circuit. To start sticking on the LEDs, peel back the brown strip. Next, work your way all the way around the drone, making sure that the LEDs are firmly pushed on. Once you have all of the LEDs installed, plug them in to make sure that they work. Once you figure out where you want to cut it, peel back the brown strip until you find the copper spot with the small fine line and cut. The last step is just taping all of the wires and motor cables down again, and the build is finished.